Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. In this video I'm going to show you some special OLL skip cases. So let's get started. So I'm starting with this case. You can solve this case in two different ways. One you can do is through sledgehammer. The other way you can solve this case by doing U prime, put the corner at the back and do R U prime R prime and solve like a F12 case. So in this case you can see white is facing at the right side, so do L D prime and insert the corner here and D L prime. And this case is the mirror of the last one, so do R prime D and insert the corner D prime R. In this case a edge is not solved, so do R prime U prime R prime U prime R prime and put back all the edges. In this case a white corner is facing front, so do R prime D prime and insert the edge and bring the pair up and insert it. And this case is the last one in the video, so do U and do R U prime R prime and this F12 case and insert it. And I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like my video, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.